For many, the pinnacle of success is a Park Avenue address. Welcome to the 5th floor at 823 Park Avenue. I'm Maria Manuche and I can't wait to show you around. Located in this quintessential pre-war condominium, this full-floor apartment has approximately 4,200 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and its own private elevator landing. But the true star appeal of this apartment is this double-sized living room. What further distinguishes this living room are these incredible windows. Made of beautiful mahogany, these 6/6 windows are the definition of luxury. With 48 feet facing Park Avenue, you can really appreciate being on the 5th floor. You're in the trees, while still being removed from the hustle and bustle of the Ave. Gaze up at these distinctive coffered ceilings. And for a touch of understated elegance, a gas-burning fireplace framed by a marble mantelpiece. And with these generous proportions, you have opportunities for several seating areas, perfect for entertaining large or small. Touring this home, you can really appreciate the dialogue from room to room. On the north side, you have a stately paneled library, and behind me, you have the most alluring formal dining room. Walking in here, you know you've got every holiday covered in grand style. While you can easily seat 16 for a big soiree, it's intimate enough for a romantic dinner for 2. And what's more romantic than a fireplace? Welcome to this beautiful country kitchen on Park Avenue. Not only is this a joyful space, it is sophisticated enough to handle any haute cuisine. It has top-of-the-line appliances, custom cabinets, and this amazing center island. And no country kitchen would be complete without a farm sink. And there's even enough room for a breakfast nook. The bedrooms are located in their own wing, and the primary bedroom is its own wing within the wing. Now this is an appropriate sized primary bedroom that easily accommodates a king-size bed, has 2 exposures, tall ceilings, and is pin drop quiet. The hallway is lined in closets. You have your own private office, perfect for Zoom meetings, plus a sumptuous private bath with a soaking tub with views onto Park Avenue. I hope you've enjoyed seeing this pinnacle of success at 823 Park Avenue, and I look forward to seeing you next time.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.